Welcome to Wales Today. Our top story, a £24 million investment at Ford's engine factory in Bridgend. They'll produce the next generation of engines.
Ford are closing some plants elsewhere, but this one is protected. In fact, more people are working here than ever before.
Our other headlines tonight. Thousands have looked for her since she went missing. Now the police search for April Jones is finally called off. Gareth Williams had measles. His family tell us how they told his little girl that her father had died.
We told her he's a rainbow, but she doesn't understand. She's only 3, but she's very intelligent. She realises that something's not right, you know.
Town councillor appears in court accused of causing an explosion in the town. And the ups and downs of a football manager. Malky Mackay celebrates Cardiff winning the league. Hello, good evening. Ford, one of the world's best-known car brands, is to invest £24 million at its engine factory in Bridgend. The plans will produce the next generation of fuel-efficient petrol engines, with half of the money coming from the company itself and the other half from the Welsh Government. Our business correspondent, Nick Savini, is inside the plant in Bridgend for us tonight. Nick.
Jamie, as you can see, I'm in one corner of this vast site.
Well, we've got a new set, new graphics, and Derek's got the same old rain.
Yes, and same weather forecaster as well, Jamie. Yes, I wish the weather was as bright as our new studio. Southwesterly winds are bringing low cloud, mist and drizzle, but the weather should improve tomorrow with some sunshine in places. At the moment, well, it's pretty cloudy and damp for most of us, becoming dry overnight, but low cloud will return later with drizzle in the northwest, more mist and hill fog as well. Lowest temperatures tonight in the range 5 to 8 Celsius. Here's the picture then for 8 in the morning, cloudy and grey, a bit misty in places, spots of drizzle in Snowdonia, foggy too on some coasts and hills. Otherwise, it's looking dry and not too cold. The temperature in Merthyr Tydfil around 8 Celsius with a light breeze. So plenty of cloud tomorrow then, but hopefully, all being well, it will brighten up in places. A dry afternoon, some sunshine in parts of Ceredigion, Powys, even the Vale of Glamorgan. Top temperatures around 16 Celsius in Llanover, cooler in the south and west, especially on the coast. Only 11 Celsius in Portmeirion with a breeze off the sea. On the north coast tomorrow, it's looking dry, hopefully a little sunshine in Mostyn, with the temperature in Rhyl rising to 14 Celsius. Now, tomorrow night, the weather will close in again with low cloud, mist, hill and coastal fog, some rain in the northwest late in the night. Into Wednesday, some rain and drizzle again, mist and hill fog, drier in the southeast and feeling muggy. The chart for Wednesday shows a cold front lying through Britain, and that's the dividing line between mild air in the south and colder air in the north. So on Thursday, rain in the north and northwest will spread gradually southwards during the day. This will clear early on Friday, followed by brighter and fresher weather, sunshine and showers, so colder and clearer by the end of the week with some ground frost over the weekend. Jamie.
It's coming up to 7 o'clock. Tonight's headlines from the BBC. In the last hour, Joka Zar-Nayo, the surviving suspect in the Boston Marathon bombings, has been charged with using weapons of mass destruction and could face the death penalty if convicted. He's in a serious condition in hospital following his capture at the weekend. Tonight's other headlines, £24 million is being invested at the Ford engine factory in Bridgend. The plant will produce the next generation of fuel-efficient petrol engines. We'll have an update for you here at 8 o'clock, and I'll be back after the BBC News at 10. Hope you like our facelift of our new set, that is. That's Wales Today. Thanks for watching. From all of us on the programme, good evening.